traders, hey, I apologize. I did talk about doing a live trading video for market close that wasn't to be, unfortunately. Had a few issues opening up stocks to trade, and I did get it open, which was good, but I didn't really take any trades and there were no real setups. So I finished with, let's have a look at how the session ended. Okay, so tell us MGTI. Look, MGTI is interesting, and what's good about it, in a sense, is that it did hold that $3 level pretty well, and it didn't. There were no real setups. So what I was talking about was it did buy off the 260s. I think that was not the previous video, but the second last video. I'll just get the price of Bitcoin up as well, because it is correlated due to the fact that they mine it. So I understand that it's not, there's more to it than just the price of Bitcoin, but a lot of people who are afraid of buying into cryptos will buy into stocks related to cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is definitely falling into that category. It's recovered pretty okay. I mean, it got here it is here on the 4-hour chart. So you be the judge, but I mean, I would say it's not, it's not diabolical, and so not a lot really to talk about there. It's recovered. So TVIX, I guess it all depends on when you bought it. To be honest, I mean, if you bought it at 19,000, then you're still holding. Well, can't really help that. So Snap did go a little bit higher. I was talking about just sort of holding this, but I mean, in all honesty, I sort of had to go to bed. I was thinking about just staying up, but I ended up going to bed about 3:30. I was just shattered. Me. We've got dries here as well. What was the volume on Snap? It did pretty big. Yeah, 232. So, let's zoom in on this here a little bit. It's a little bit higher priced, honestly. I mean, the problem is I can't buy a lot of shares, and this isn't going to move, crazy. I mean, at 46% is pretty interesting. I thought this was downtrending for some time, though, if we get the 1 month chart up. Yeah, so as you can see, it's been doing a lot. Overall, for most of the time, it hasn't, and then it's recovered a little bit recently. So, look, I mean, trade setups. Let's see what was moving. Oh, BPSM. It does seem like the blockchain and weed stocks have sort of eased a little bit. I think Khan was moving as well. I don't know if that was in the list. I saw Roland Wolf put up a, I think it was like an Instagram grab of his earnings. It was like 8 grand or something. Oh man, it's really nice. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just looking through here. Well, I don't know if that's related to, it's in here though, so it's interesting. I'll zoom in. It pretty much had the tester high day at close, and then steadily made some gains. What I prefer to do, just with my psychology, is to buy the dip. So there's some support there at the 415.16 level. That could be a potential idea. Or I mean, it could come way back down here. You know, what about at 4-ish? 490. 490 also looks plausible, but 415, 416. That might be what I'd be looking at, guys. Anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great day, or for most people, if they do watch this straight away, it'll be very early in the morning. But yeah, guys, I hope everyone's having a good week so far. You know, my trading's uneventful this week, just given my night shift that I have. I start work at 5 p.m. and 10:30 when market opens. For me in the evening, it's quite busy, so I just, you know, I've got to cop it, and I try and get to the close when I can. But this week it's been pretty uneventful. So I just want to see Khan to see, because I swear I'm rolling. This is a point of interest here. Well, quite a few positions like in and out that he'd taken. Okay, maybe they were the buys or sells. I wasn't too sure. I didn't look into it, but it's interesting. Anyway, so look, trade ideas. MGTI did buy potentially 260. BSPM around 415, 416 for dip buy as well. Or it could just break higher. And, you know, personally, I don't really, you know, chase those plays. But that's the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy trading. Bye for now.